Hey, good day everyone. Check out this VEVOR log splitter I have here. It's an electric log splitter. Just pulled it out of the box. I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in and put it to use. But this thing is a dual switch system. So basically it takes two hands to operate the thing. So we'll put our log here and the hydraulic press, we'll press it up against the wedge there. But to operate this, you actually have to hold this down, and then that's your lever right there. And then once you let off that lever, this thing will come back into place. So that engages the hydraulic right there. And then once you let off, the hydraulic will pull back. Let's go ahead and give this a shot. Hey, one thing I really like too is it has some wheels on it, so you can move the sucker around. Just pick it up like that and you can pull it wherever you need to. So you're not having to lift the whole thing. So really, really nice for mobility purposes. And I'm gonna go ahead and push this down like that. Now you can see that turns it on. Now I'm going to engage it back here. You can see once I let off, right there, it comes back. All right, now as far as length of wood that this thing will handle, so go ahead and take a tape measure here. This is usually about the standard length. I do mine roughly, 14 to 16 inches. It's about the biggest piece you're gonna be able to get is probably safely 19. That's it. Want to get it smaller? Get it smaller. And when you're done, just pick this up right here, or if you need to move locations, piece of wood. Now as far as the hydraulic fluid on this goes, if you look right here, you lift this end up, right here, you just loosen that, and there's a dipstick attached to that, and you can check your hydraulic fluid there too, and also drain and replace it. If you wanted to drain it, you would make sure you have something underneath this thing to catch it, and then you'd pop that out, and then you just tip it up like this. Tip that end up to drain the hydraulic fluid, and then this thing's nice and compact for great storage, fit in a small space till you're ready to use it. Really happy with this thing. Gonna use it a lot. Gonna stay nice and warm this winter because I got me a nice log splitter. Thanks, VEVOR.